push it and lift toward your body. Lift up. You end this area and lift up. It's okay. And end up. Okay. And move and place it here. Yes. Stop and on. And two guide is needed. One guide is push, Vial push, and one guide is support to Vial because its head difference is tip over. They tip over and support to guide and support guide, the push guide, you push it. Push Vial. Yes. And delete one guide and pull the spatula. Okay. Okay. And this turntable is pushing. And okay. And this is operator is 2 only. And start click and all automated. Push. It's only 그냥 pushing. Okay. Is turntable Vial and is move through. 잠시만요. 이쪽으로 move through this area, and then we go. Is this play is 3 is 1 set. Vial 3 is grab. Okay. It can be opened and is grab the Vial. Okay. Is grab the Vial and 3 Vial 이렇게 grab Vial. This line is first line is WFI. And
Water injection.
water injection and is air compression.
Compressed air.
We utility have WFI water injection and PW purified water and air. So we connect this machine. So we can see first line is WFI, line is this here, okay, and this here. This year, WFI. We spray WFI through the needle. Inside the Vial, spray the Vial, and this line is air line. So air spray air inside Vial. WFI inside spray and air. WFI air inside WFI air, WFI is 3 times repeat. Okay? And is WFI is outside the Vial, outside the spray the Vial. And this is air spray outside the Vial. Okay? And the washing is on, and then Vial is come. And it's washing and it is moved. And then we go Vial go is sterilizer. Sterilizer consists of inlet chamber and sterilizer and cooling chamber. It's conveyor belt, first conveyor belt. You can see it is this Vial is move and close the door, and side is recognized sensing. And then door is open, and then is move, is sterilization is Vial moved, and very high temperature we sterilized, and about 40 minutes is sterilized about 40 minutes, and then it is Vial is very high temperature, so we have to down temperature. So next is cooling chamber, okay? And room temperature is cooling down. It is Vial washer and sterilizer. And then we can connect filling line. So we can see this area, and we can see filling line, okay? Okay, filling line.
So
okay.
what happens inside there?
Yeah, inside. They will say
No, cooling. I thought you said cooling happens here. Or is it cooling? Is it inside there it cools?
What are the
Can you
questions?
translate? Yes, I thought he said after the sterilization here, it has a cooling cycle inside here, or does it go out to the other room to cool? If it cools,
there are two different machines, sterilization and cooling system.
so just ask him in your language. This guy does the sterilization, then he sends it to another guy to cool. Is that it?
Yes.
그러니까 여기 뭐지 처음에 소독을 하고 그 다음에 쿨링으로 가는 건지 아니면은 소독을 하는 공간에서 쿨링도 같이 하는 건지
아니, 소독을 하고 멸균을 40분 동안 하고 그 다음에 쿨링 챔버 지나가는 시간이 있어요.
그래서 there are two different places.
Okay.
The sterilization and the cooling system.
Okay, so the cooling system is in the other room.
아니, 위에 this year. Cooling is this year.
Okay, no, it's still here. It's still here.
Yeah, but there are two different.
Okay, there are two different. So what happens in the other room?
Cooling.
No. When it goes to the other place, because cooling is still in this room. This is sterilization. This is cooling. So what happens in the other room?
What happened?
저기로 넘어가면 저쪽 방으로 넘어가면 뭐
Filling line.
Okay, filling.
We go filling line.
Okay, so the sterilization and cooling is here, and then filling in the other room.
Okay.
Now I have another question. Okay, unless you are not done. If you still have to keep talking, if
Tunnel
not.
sterilization and 300 degree and
Because-
cooling zone is filling machine.
Because that was the next thing I wanted to ask. So what is done here is not just sterilization; it's also depyrogenation, right? Because sterilization, you just need 122 degrees for maybe about 10-15 minutes max. But for depyrogenation, you need to go over 250 degrees. So most probably you are doing both sterilization and depyrogenation at the same time. Okay, it's clear. Now I wanted to ask. Sorry, we have another. Sorry, from here it means that you are spraying water in just about three positions is where it is sprayed water. Then while you are spraying water inside here, from outside you are supplying it with air. Okay, no, it's also water. You are spraying water in and out, right? In here is here is air. Okay, here in this part of the cycle, air is because it's facing down. So how do you wash inside? Because water is spraying the outer part of the bottle here. Water is spraying the inner part here. Okay. So while this is happening, this place will need to be closed because water will be in this whole space, right?
여기서 이렇게 돌아가고 있는 중에 이거는 닫혀 있는.
Of course, the door is sensing. It's blocked.
Yeah. So
start the machine.
When the machine is running, the door is sensing the machine. So when you cannot open the door.
Yes, because water will be splashing inside this whole setup. So you have to have it. No, that won't be possible. The drain, this place is open. Okay, the water will be draining out from here. Okay.
Yeah, we have to move to the
Okay, move is the filling line.